Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at the classic old-timer Buzzsaw Trapper. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. I've seen this knife on several videos, and most recently I was watching a Dave Canterbury video. He was talking about the equipment that they reissued the guys on the Advanced Survival course, and this Buzzsaw Trapper was one of the blades. Not exactly this blade, and I'll explain that in a little bit. But anyway, kind of, like I say, I've seen it around. It's a classic. I thought, what the heck? I already have a buck 110. I might as well just add another classic to my list. So it just came in the other day. I haven't even had a chance to take a look at it yet. So anyway, it comes with a leather case with a snap and a belt loop, which is nice. It's leather. It's not fine Corinthian leather, but you know, it's leather. It'll work. It'll do the job. So take a look at the knife here. Here it is. I don't know, probably not bone handle, but simulated one. It's got, looks like brass bolsters there, some rivets. So it looks pretty nice. It's called the 97 OT or 0T, and 7.8 inches, and with a 3.7 clip point blade, all stainless steel. I bought this on Amazon for $25.70, so that's not a bad price for this little classic knife, considering you get the case and the blade. But anyway, there's the blade. It's made by Schrade. Also, it says it's Taylor brand, so that's who's originally doing a lot of the Schrade stuff, and then they sold it for a while, and I think the quality and stuff went down, but that's another whole story. But anyway, here's the blade. It's feels pretty sharp. Let's see what it's like out of the box here. Yep, I'd say pretty sharp. There we go. Shouldn't move around so fast. I've had comments on that. Okay, that's the main blade. Then it also comes with a saw, which you don't see too many blades with a saw on it. So it feels pretty rugged. Should do the job. I'll have to go play with it and see how well it cuts. Maybe I'll compare it against a Swiss Army knife. Anyway, one interesting thing about it, I didn't realize it's the saw has actually got a lock on it. It's a slip lock here. So you slide that over and fold it back up, so that's pretty nice. And also notice it's got some other little attachments on the side of the handle. So it's got a, looks like an awl or a scribe pinpoint. Feels fairly sharp. So use it for whatever you wish. And then on the other side, let's see, tweezers. So that's pretty cool. And really, to be honest, I didn't expect to see the additional tools on this. So kind of a minimalist knife, but does all the jobs. I was going to say on the Dave Canterbury, this is a knife he wanted to get for the students, but I guess there could a supply problem, so he bought the ones that have the third blade, which is a gut hook. But everything that the guys did on the Advanced Survival course were done with this knife, so it's a pretty handy little knife. Let's see. I can't think of anything else to say about it. Like I say, it's a cool little classic knife, and I hope you guys, oh, I guess I should say, I will put links to the Amazon site where I bought this, and also put a link to Dave Canterbury's video if you're interested in that one. So anyway, like I said, it's a classic knife, real nice. I can't complain about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.